am day 2 of my 7-day series of super duper books. I have my wonderful bookshelf right here. This is The Empowered Wife by Laura Doyle. She also wrote The Surrendered Wife, The Surrendered Single. I read them all. And another one was called As Good as You Can Stand It, something like that. Anyway, they're all fantastic. And I think this book, The Empowered Wife, and I'm really getting vulnerable here to tell you some truths. I think her books are amazing. Like, definitely got me, I wouldn't say they got me 100% into solutions, right? But for the most part, really, really helpful. Ways to be respectful to people, and how to just kind of not be an a-hole, right? And be kind to people I love, especially to people I love, right? Sometimes it's so easy. We can go out and be kind to waiters and waitresses or the people that work at 7-Eleven. But when we come home, right, isn't that where our most precious loved ones are? And kind and respectful is even more precious. And yeah, learned a lot from that. Anything by Laura Doyle, highly recommend. Oh, and it's a super quick read too. The chapters are only like 2 or 3 pages for that book. And you'll get through it very quickly.